Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. It's Shauna and today I'm a little late getting this video out to you guys, but I wanted to release the winners of my scavenger hunt. So first I want to say a huge thank you to all of my subscribers and the new subscribers and anybody who found me during the digital scavenger hunt that we had. A huge thank you to RachandBella Crafts for sponsoring some prizes for the winners of my scavenger hunt. And an even bigger thank you to everybody who took part and had fun in the digital scavenger hunt. We did have a pretty good turnout. I was hoping for a little more, but you know, hey, every one of you counts, and I am grateful for all of you that have found my channel or my Instagram or my Facebook and have stuck around with me from the beginning or from wherever you joined me on this journey. So thank you to everybody who took part and who is here following me. I appreciate you so much. So I just wanted to show you a reminder of RachandBella Crafts. This is their Inspired Dragonfly kit, and then this is one of their new kits. This is from the new kit Summer Bloom, which is a collaboration between RachandBella Crafts and Line Dot Arrow. So the winners get to choose one digital kit from the RachandBella Crafts Etsy store. And those winners that I announce in just a second, if they will message me on Facebook or via email, or you can message me here, and I will let you know how to claim your prize. So one kit for each winner, and that is just so amazing. I'm so grateful to Rachel and Bella from RachandBella Crafts for sponsoring those. And let's just get into it. So there was lots of different entries from hitting, different ways to enter, from hitting the Instagram to my Facebook to the YouTube to Pinterest, like all of it. So that was awesome. It was an awesome hop, and I have two winners. So the first one is Rhonda Riley. Yay, Rhonda! Congratulations. And again, please message me and I will tell you how to claim your digital kit. And our second winner is Becky Hightower. So yay, Becky! I'm so excited for you guys to be able to experience one of these kits from RachandBella Crafts and to see what projects you create with it. So I hope this has brightened your day, brightened your week, your weekend, and that you will enjoy these kits as much as I definitely have. My recent project is working with the Summer Bloom kit, but this one was my last project, and I just love how it turned out. If you missed any of that, please go back and check the previous videos. And so anyways, congratulations to both of my winners, and thank you to all who participated and who are all still here with me watching now. So thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next great video.